If you love animals and hate long commutes, welcome to agriculture and animal care. Employment growth here is low, but the sector is vital. Be prepared, 50% of the workforce here is aged 55 years and older. The biggest opportunity here is replacement demand. When half the workforce is retirement age, the job openings are a certainty, even without much growth. Animal carers, including vets and equine workers, are seeing a strong growth of 10.4%. Farm workers also show high job churn, meaning frequent opportunities. We see constant demand for farm assistants and horticultural operatives. Over a third of workers here hold very low educational attainment, NFQ level 3 or less. That's junior cert level, the highest share of any occupational group. This means there's a massive need for upskilling related to climate action. Farmers and farm workers are at the coalface of the climate agenda. You will need new skills and knowledge to reduce carbon emissions and adapt practices. Also, low growth, high churn, and often low pay for farm workers can make recruitment challenging. The future is less about traditional farming and more about precision agriculture and sustainability. The farm life is calling. If you're young, technically inclined, and want a leadership role in reducing emissions, you'll soon become indispensable. So, go save a cow or the planet.